Hello, my name is Hussein and I'm Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. Market turned positive ahead of the non-farm payroll release later in the day. The S&P Broad Market Index updated all-time highs at 4,311 points. Brent crude prices jumped above $77 per barrel, a maximum not reached since October 2018. The US dollar also posted gains of 0.5%. Such peculiar picture may be explained by the non-farm payrolls as investors prefer to stick to the greenback while pushing risky assets prices up too. It is really hard to say if this construct would survive the labor market data release, as most of the instruments prices are heavily strained from the usual price movements curve. Moreover, statistical modeling of the labor data in the US suggests controversial signals. Thus, non-farm payrolls modeling, considering a recent decrease in initial jobless claims at 21,000, gives an overall 690,000 to 700,000 jobs increase in June, which is close to the consensus figure of 700,000 jobs. The unemployment level is much harder to assess after May levels were seen exaggerated. Well, so we may see unemployment in June at a steady of 4.8% despite an overall decrease of jobless claims by 300,000 last month. The unemployment level may even edge higher to 5.9% but would hardly decrease to the forecasted numbers of 5.7%. Average yearly earnings may also sustain in June at 0.4 to 0.5% amid lack of the available labor force in the United States as government continue to pay a stimulus check to support American families. Finally, we may get moderately positive non-farm payrolls report that would show continuous economic recovery in the United States, but on the other hand would send signal to the Fed to continue its stimulus measures, which including massive monthly 120 billion bond purchase program. In this case, the S&P 500 Broad Market Index may renew its all-time high above 4,280 points. Most point in this case to stay sharp as correction risks are extremely high now. Crude market may also end this week close to 3-year highs. Gold prices would hardly benefit from such support and report as they would hardly get an impulse to move in either direction. So the trading range of $1,750 to $1,800 per troy ounce may remain intact by the end of this Friday. Currency market would not benefit from moderately positive non-farm payrolls. Technically, we may see the greenback is a little overbought and we may expect it lower. The Euro USD is sitting close to the important week support levels. Optimal levels for buy positions might be considered at 1.1840 to 1.60 with a target at 1.1930. However, such unsuccessful attempts were made yesterday, so chances of this scenario are now lower. GBP USD is below its support level at 1.3840, but the pair is not interesting for opening buy positions. Last but not the least, USD JPY has surprised the market as it all-time almost reached a level of 111.95, where sell positions would be most attractive. Non-farm payrolls may provide such a boost opportunity for the pair. Thank you very much guys for listening and have a great weekend ahead.